Let me take you through the highlights one by one. Let's start with the design of X7 5G. Realme X7 5G uses the industry's best craftsmanship to bring you a phone that feels fun, fashionable and light. Sounds perfect for your on-the-go lifestyle, doesn't it? Let's take a look at the two color options. We've got the dazzling Space Silver and the brilliant Nebula. Our designers sought inspiration in the mysteries of the outer space, capturing the scintillating colors of the universe and putting them into the phone's back shell. Realme X7 does not just look good, but also feels great in your hand. For this, we've used innovative structural stacking to optimize our device. As a result of which, the Space Silver is only 8.1 mm thick and weighs as little as 176 grams. Performance has always been key to Realme, which is why we take the specifications of our devices quite seriously. The Realme X7 5G is no exception and therefore is power-packed with features to deliver best-in-class performance. To begin with, Realme X7 5G is equipped with the commendable MediaTek Dimensity 800U, becoming the first smartphone in India to have this powerful 5G processor.
The new Realme X7 5G is India's first smartphone powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 800U chipset that features dual 5G SIM capabilities that enables better consumer access to the highest quality voice calling services with VoNR from either connection, making it an ideal phone in the mid-segment. Benchmarking over 340,000, Dimensity 800U provides not just a 5G future-ready network module, but also the best performance in its price segment. It uses advanced TSMC 7nm process technology, featuring high clock speed and high energy efficiency design, which not just strengthens the performance of the smartphone, but also ensures that power consumption and heat are well maintained. Gaming is increasingly becoming a must-have in smartphones. Realme X7 5G provides a stable and smooth picture at 60 frames per second while playing the most popular games. Even after 60 minutes of non-stop gaming, the device stays under 38 degrees centigrade. The newly upgraded Realme X7 5G keeps your phone from overheating, no matter what. And this provides you the best all-round smartphone experience. When it comes to popularizing 5G, Realme has been an industry vanguard. Keeping in line with that, Realme X7 5G has been equipped to support dual SIM, dual standby with 5G and supports mainstream 5G bands, making your phone protected from obsolescence for the next 5 years. Realme X7 Smart 5G network optimization technology reduces power consumption by 30%, effectively improving battery life. We have also covered dual channel network acceleration. This technique superimposes 5G and Wi-Fi networks, giving you seamless speed and stability. Now, if you lose a game, you won't be able to blame the connection, so keep your skills sharp. That's it for the performance of Realme X7 5G. If you're an avid gamer, the Realme X7 will give you a fast and smooth gaming experience. The Realme X7 Pro 5G features the flagship MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus chip. The latest Dimensity 1000 Plus chip offers intelligent 5G connectivity, powerful display optimization, AAA gaming performance, advanced and adaptable camera support, and several other high-end features to make it stand out of the crowd with its powerhouse performance.
Let's talk about the speed of our 50-watt SuperDart charge. When using the 50-watt SuperDart charge, your phone's battery will go from 0 to 50% in just 18 minutes. Realme X7 5G is equipped with a large 4310 mAh battery. With that huge battery and the latest 7nm Dimensity 800U chipset, this phone can be used all day long. We've observed that some manufacturers have stopped including chargers with their smartphones. This has been the cause of intense debate in the industry. We are not excluding the charger when you buy a Realme X7 5G, but giving you a more powerful one instead. That's right. Even though the X7 5G only supports 50-watt charging, we're still giving you a 65-watt charger. Moving forward, let's take a look at the display. Realme X7 5G is equipped with a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED screen with a punch-hole camera. What is the biggest advantage of an OLED screen? The entire phone can be thinner. Well, now you know the trick behind the 8.1 mm thickness. The display features a peak brightness of 600 nits, enabling users to see the screen clearly even in bright sunlight. It also supports DC light dimming function, anti-flicker in low brightness option, and anti-fatigue eye protection. Now, let's talk about camera upgrades. With Realme X7 5G, its main camera features a solid hardware with a 64-megapixel ultra-clear sensor, An f1.8 large aperture lens combined with Pixel 4-in-1 technology means that a single pixel can reach 1.4 micron. This provides excellent image quality for night shots and gives you ultra clear and rich details in every picture. In the 64 megapixel mode, you will have the freedom to compose and crop as much as you like without losing pixels and jeopardizing the image quality, just like a small telephoto lens. In addition to image quality, the camera also features rich imaging functions, whether it's the upgraded Nightscape, Chroma Boost, or the selfie camera. Let's take a look at these pictures. Whether you're shooting scenery or portraits, it's a piece of cake for Realme X7 5G. Here, I'd like to highlight our Portrait Super Nightscape mode. This mode preserves sharpness while reducing noise. The image is beautified while retaining facial details. We are also bringing the 3 filters, Cyberpunk, Flamingo, and Modern Gold, to give you more options for photography. In terms of photo effects, there's really very little difference between the flagships that are on the market. We all know that when it comes to video, it's all about actual performance. Realme X7 5G supports up to 4K video at 30 FPS. As for slow motion videos, the device supports 1080p HD recording at up to 120 FPS. Our UIS video stabilization has always been one of our key video technologies, and here it's seen on both the front and the rear cameras. Realme X7 5G features the upgraded UIS Max video stabilization, providing users with a larger viewing range and improved stabilization. That's what the camera on Realme X7 5G is capable of. India's first smartphone to feature the 7nm Dimensity 800U processor that provides a guaranteed smooth performance. Combined with a 64 megapixel Ultra HD main camera and Super AMOLED screen, this device is a feast for the senses. We present to you today the Realme X7 Pro 5G. With a new addition to the X series, we also bring revolutionary design and appearance that goes beyond the name of the smartphone. We encourage everyone to stay true to themselves and stand out in their lives. This beautiful variant, we name it Fantasy. In addition to the iridescent color Fantasy, we also have another color, the Mystic Black. The depth of the Realme X7 Pro 5G is only 8.5 mm and the weight is only 184 grams. Now let's talk about the display. It is a flexible screen. The flexible screen that we usually encounter are all 3D curved because hard screens can't be curved. Only the flexible ones can. First of all, it has a 120 Hz high refresh rate. The Realme X7 Pro 5G screen has a sampling rate of 240 Hz and the shortest reaction time for touch is only 4 milliseconds. The average peak brightness of 800 nits also keeps the display bright under the sunlight. With 100% P3 color gamut coverage, the display is brighter than ever before. It also supports DC dimming for comfortable viewing in low brightness. After the display, let's talk about battery life. The massive 4500 mAh battery along with the 65-watt SuperDart charge technology accounts for a seamless experience and long-lasting performance throughout the day. Once again, Realme X7 Pro represents India's fastest charging technology. With a 65-watt SuperDart charge, taking 3 minutes to charge for 1 hour of gaming. The battery can be fully charged in 35 minutes straight, and the entire process of flash charging is safe and it maintains a low temperature. In terms of photography, with the Realme X7 Pro 5G, we gave it our best shot. This time, we have equipped the phone with a new and upgraded 64 megapixel wide-angle quad camera. The 64 megapixel wide-angle main camera uses Sony's flagship IMX686 sensor. The IMX686 is the best Sony sensor in the current market. Realme X7 Pro 5G also has 4K 60 FPS video support, cinema mode, and the provision to shoot ultra shake-proof videos. Let me conclude. High-resolution photos and powerful video shooting is what Realme X7 Pro 5G is capable of. Let's talk about the performance. The performance experience of a smartphone cannot be guaranteed without the co-processor. The Realme X7 Pro 5G is equipped with the latest Dimensity 1000 Plus processor. Performance is one of the key parameters that can be best explained by actual data. Let's go straight to the Realme X7 Pro 5G benchmark score. The score under the normal temperature reaches 540K plus on Antutu, which is the highest scoring integrated 5G platform up to date. The Realme X7 Pro 5G is equipped with an e-sport grade VC liquid cooling system, 5-level ice-cold heat dissipation system, 100% full coverage of the core heat source, significantly reducing the temperature even when the phone is in high performance state. The X7 Pro 5G also features a tactile engine linear motor, providing a brilliant experience to all users. The Realme X7 Pro 5G features dual stereo speakers by Dolby Atmos. That's all for both the products. These were the Realme X7 5G, the best designed 5G phone, and the Realme X7 Pro 5G, the very best from Realme.
With two variants, 6GB 128GB and 8GB 128GB. How should we price it at? Realme X7 5G 6GB 128GB is priced at Rs 19,999. And the Realme X7 5G 8GB 128GB is priced at Rs 21,999. First sale starts at 12 noon on 12th of February on Flipkart, Realme.com and the stores nearby you, with one variant at 8GB 128GB, and which would be priced at Rs 29,999 only. First sale starts at 12 noon on 10th of February on Flipkart, Realme.com and stores nearby you.